Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve Olympiad math problem, that is a plus b into a square plus b square equals 85. A minus b into a square minus b square equals 45. You have to find the value of a and b. Now we will say this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. Now to solve this, the first step is we will divide equation 1 and 2. So divide 1 and 2. When we divide, we can see that a minus b into a square minus b square means, first we write 1 a square plus b square, that equals 85, and divided by a minus b. A square minus b square means a minus b into a plus b, and this is divided by 45. Now in the next step, a plus b is cancelled out by a plus b, and we get a square plus b square divided by a minus b whole square, and when we divide 85 and 45, we will get 17 by 9. Now we will do the cross multiplication of this to simplify. Then we get, when 9 is multiplied by this, we get 9a square plus 9b square, and this side equals, when 17 is multiplied by a minus b whole square, we get 17a square minus 34ab and plus 17b square. Now we will form this a linear equation. Now we get 17a square minus 9a square, that will be, and minus 34ab, it will be minus 34, then plus 17b square minus 9b square equals 0. Now 17 minus 9 will be 8a square minus 34ab, and then 17b square minus 9b square will be 8b square. We will write this as plus 8b square, that equals 0. Now we can take 2 as common from this. So by taking 2 as common, we will get 4a square minus 17ab plus 4b square. Now when 2 is divided by 0, we will get 0, and remaining will be 4a square minus 17ab plus 4b square equals 0. Now we will make the factors of 16 as when they are added give 17. So 4a square minus 16ab minus ab plus 4b square equals 0. Now we will take 4a as common, remaining will be a minus 4b, and then we take minus b as common, so remaining will be a minus 4b. So we get a minus 4b equals 0, and other factor is 4a minus b equals 0. Now we get a equals 4b, and here we get 4a equal b. 4a equals b. Now we will substitute a value in this. A value in first equation, so 4b plus b, and a square means 16b square plus b square. It's mean 5b into 17b square is 85. It's mean b cube equals 85 divided by 85, that means 1. So by taking cube root on both sides, we will get 1. B value is 1. Now if b is 1, so a equal 4 into b, so a will be 4, and when a is 4, we can see that order pair is 4 and 1. So this is the value of 4 and 1 is basically the value of a and b. So you can verify this by substituting in the other equation. This value will be in other equation. So we can see that a minus b means 4 minus 1. A square means 16 minus b square is 145. So 3 into 15, that is 45. So 45 equals 45. It's mean we have find out order pair 4 1 for a b. This is the true value of a and b. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Math Olympiad problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.